Chào các bạn. In this video, I will quickly go through how to do Quizlet on the computer so that we can complete the assignment and it can be effective for us. So let's say this is bài tập từ vựng, vocabulary assignment. So I start from there. So I highly recommend that you spend time reading the notes here. Even create a document of your own to copy and keep all the special notes of vocabulary, grammar, or speaking, or even writing. Yes, I think it's really good and helpful if you have a digital notebook. So this is important. Now, when we go down here, this is the instruction on how to get the grade and how to complete this task and use this one effectively. So usually I will ask you to do test and spell. And in order to do spell and test, of course, first of all, you need to learn, right? So this is how we should do. You click on the link and assuming that you are logged in, you log in with your account, the account that you register or you use to join the class already. So I highly recommend that you start with learn. So when you open a set like this, automatically it will land on flashcards. So flashcards, you can listen to Vietnamese right here. You can start from there. But a more effective way that I found for myself learning other languages and which has worked for the students in the Vietnamese program is to start with learn. So you start with learn because some of the words you may know already and then you can hear.
A young woman or a female peer.
So now this is the problem. If you listen to this, then they will say it in English. But this is one way for you to try. For example, oh no, it's this one. So this is how you can control. You go to options, question format, and then I want to choose it as answer with English so that I can listen to the Vietnamese. Okay?
G.
Yeah. And then I read and I choose. She should be a female peer, female acquaintance, like this. So, yeah, like that. So again, options, question format, you disable answer with Vietnamese, you turn on answer with English so that you can hear the Vietnamese. So that is to learn, or you can start with flashcards if it's easier for you to go through all this one. Another way for you to learn is to start from the beginning. Let's say, okay, this one from, okay, for example, this one from down here. If you go down here, then you can have a list. And you don't actually need to like move slowly. And then you can try to listen. Yes.
An older male/grandfather.
Like that. So that is another way. Another way, and then after you learn, you go through all this already, like that, whatever you want to learn. This is how you get to spell. Learn. Options, question format, yes, turn this off. You only choose answer with English and then spell mode, yeah, here you start. And now listen.
Bạn.
And now you type. Oh, I haven't turned on the keyboard. No, because I had the wrong. Okay.
Tụi con.
Tụi con. That's it.
Anh chị. Cháu.
Yes. So you see how I changed the setting again. Learn, options, question format, only turn on answer with English. Sometimes I also turn on this audio function so that I don't need to click. It will auto play. The audio will auto play. So that is how you get to spell. So you want to get
Anh.
Okay, so another, and then test is straightforward. You can just click on this button and then work on it. Okay, and yes, you can choose to answer with Vietnamese or answer in English. You can choose the number of questions here as well. Okay, yeah, that's more in options. You can even do the writing, start test, options. Choose everything in here. Okay. I think it's good to answer in Vietnamese to sharpen the spelling and reading. I hope that this is useful and you will use Quizlet in an effective way. It can be a helpful tool to help you learn the vocabulary. Of course, we can also do the traditional way. What I mean by traditional way is to have a list of words for yourself. Keep a list of words and going through them. Maybe I should demonstrate that too. This is how you can do. You can print it and keep it in PDF like this, and then it can be like flashcards. Okay, and then you can just, if you're like a paper person, you can just print and look at them. Pin it, yeah. That is another way. Another way too, it can help too, is to export, and then you copy all this, and then you have a word list. Okay, paste it in Excel. You can paste it in Word document, and then it will become like 2 columns for you. Okay, so I hope that this is a useful video, and if you have any questions, please just reach out to me, send me an email. Thank you and good luck.